Hello student, I am Priya Singh from Saraswat International Academy. I am teach mathematics standard of 9th. Here we are starting chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Now starting our chapter with introduction. Polynomial. Polynomial is a word which is connecting word of two words, poly and nomial. Poly means many and nomial means term. So we define the term polynomial as many terms together with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the algebraic expression is called polynomial. Now, other classes we all study about the expressions of polynomial, also factorization of polynomial, study about the identities. Now recall the identities. We all study about the identity 1, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity number 2, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Identity number 3, a square minus b square is equal to in the bracket a minus b multiply in the bracket a plus b. How to find this identity we study about in earlier classes. Next, in this chapter we have to study the factorization theorem, remainder theorem, factor theorem and their uses in factorization of polynomial. Also we study some more identities and their uses in factorization and evaluating some expression. Now start our topic. First topic, polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable means a polynomial is denoted by p of x. So a polynomial px in one variable x is in an algebraic expression in x of the form written by p of x is equal to an x raised to an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus up to so on plus a2 x raised to 2 plus a1x plus a0. This expression is known as the polynomial. In this expression where a0, a1, a2 up to so on an are the constant term and an is not equal to 0. Next, in the polynomial, the expressions in this expression, the values an x raised to an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 up to so on a2x square, a1x, a0, those are known as terms, and the n power of n is known as the degree of polynomial. Next, in polynomial, here a0, a1, a2 up to so on an are respectively the coefficient of the variable x0, x1, x2 up to so on xn. Next, if we suppose any polynomial p of x is equal to a0, then a0 is the constant polynomial which are in form of number. For that example, we say polynomial p of x is equal to 5 and any other number polynomial is 2, then this numerical form is known as constant polynomial. Next, a polynomial p of x is equal to a0 and the value of a0 is 0, then the polynomial is known as 0 polynomial. Next, a polynomial with one term. Polynomial has one term, then this polynomial is known as monomial. For example, 2x square, 5x and etc. Next, a polynomial of two term. In polynomial has two term, then this polynomial is called binomial. For example, minus 3x square plus 1. In this polynomial, first term is minus 3x square and second term is plus 1. Second polynomial, 7x plus 2. In this polynomial, first term is 7x and second term is 2. Then this polynomial is known as binomial. Next, a polynomial of three term is called trinomial. Have polynomial three term. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6. In this polynomial, here first term, second term and third term. So this polynomial is known as trinomial. Next, the highest power of the variable in polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. For example, we take a polynomial 3x raised to minus 7 minus 4x raised to 6 plus x plus 9. In this polynomial, the variable x has highest degree is 7. So the degree of this polynomial is 7. Next, also in this polynomial, 9 is the constant number and the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is always 0 because in this polynomial 9 has no variable. So we dictate the polynomial 9 into x 0 and we study about any variable power has 0, then its value be 1. So the polynomial is 9x0. It means the degree of 9 is 0. Next, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, p of x is equal to x means our polynomial is x and x has power 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. Next, a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. In this example, we have polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 2 and the highest degree of this polynomial is 2. So it be quadratic polynomial. Next, polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, this polynomial x cube minus 5x plus 6x minus 3, the highest degree of this polynomial is 3. So this polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. Now start to solve our example. Example 1. Example 1 say find the degree of each of the following given below. Question 1. The polynomial is x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 plus 3. We have find the degree of this polynomial. So in this polynomial the variable is x and the highest power of variable is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Second, the polynomial is 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2y raised to 8. In this polynomial, the polynomial is in the form of variable y and the highest degree of y is 8. So the polynomial has degree is 8. Next, third question. Polynomial is 2. Here polynomial has no variable. So we write choosing variable x raised to 0. So our polynomial is p of x is equal to 2x 0 and the degree of x is 0. So this polynomial is 0 polynomial. Here we start to solve exercise 2.1 sum. In exercise 2.1 question number 1 is which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not. State reason for your answer. Means we have say our polynomial in one variable is polynomial or not and why it is polynomial. For that we have write the reason and why it not. So question number 1 is our polynomial expression is first question number 1 expression polynomial is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. In this polynomial is an expression having only non-negative integral power of x. Here the expression has 3 terms and the variable in 3 terms is x and all the power of x is non-negative integral means all the power of x is positive means the first x power is positive 2 and the second term x power is positive 1. So we say therefore it is a polynomial. Question number 2. The polynomial is y square plus 2. Y square plus 2 is an expression having only non-negative integral power of 2. Means this polynomial has one variable y. The two term of polynomial has variable y and the degree of polynomial is positive. So we say therefore it is a polynomial of one variable. Question number 3. The polynomial is 3 root t plus t root 2. Here is an expression is in which one term namely 3 root t. 3 root t means t raised to power 1 upon 2. The degree of polynomial is 1 upon 2. It means it be the rational number q and it is not whole number. So the power of t is rational number, therefore it is not a polynomial. Next, question number 4. The polynomial is y plus 2 upon y. We write the one term, namely 2 upon y, that is 2 into y raised to minus 1, and the power of y is negative number minus 1, so it is integer and it not a non-negative integral power of y, so therefore it is not a polynomial. Last, question number 5. Here the polynomial is x raised to 10 plus y raised to 3 plus t raised to 50 is an expression which has 3 variable. In this polynomial has 3 variable, first variable x, second variable y, and third variable t. So therefore it is not a polynomial of one variable, because we study polynomial in one variable. Next, question number 2. Our question number 2 is write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have write the coefficient of x square means the multiple number with the variable highest degree of variable 2 is the coefficient of polynomial. We have write the coefficient for all the expressions. So question number 1 is polynomial is 2 plus x square plus x. Here the highest degree of polynomial is x square, and we have write the coefficient of x square, means here in the expression the coefficient of x square in the polynomial 2x square plus 2 plus x square plus x, the coefficient of x is here, no number is shown, so here x square is multiplied by 1, so the coefficient of x square is 1. Next, question number 2. Expression 2 is 2 minus x square plus x cube. We have write the coefficient of x square, so here the coefficient of x square is x square has no number, so it is multiplied by 1, and the symbol of 1 is minus, so we write the coefficient of the expression is coefficient of x square in expression x is 2 minus x square plus x cube is minus 1. Next, question number 3. Expression 3 is pi upon 2 x square plus x. Here the coefficient of expression x square is multiplied by pi by 2, so the coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. Here we write pi upon 2. Next, question number 5. The polynomial expression is 2x minus 1. In this polynomial have no x square term, so we write the polynomial as 2x plus 0 into x square, means this term is multiplied by 0, so it not affect our polynomial, so we write the coefficient of x square is 0. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is give one example each of binomial of degree 35. We have write binomial means we have write two term of polynomial, and the highest degree of this polynomial is 35, and one of monomial of degree 100. We have write monomial means one term, and the degree of monomial is 100 in variable form. So the solution is we write the binomial y raised to 35 plus 2. Here we get two term y and 2, and the highest degree of variable y is 35, so it will be binomial of degree 35. And next, monomial of degree 100 means we write y raised to 100, so the variable one term variable y and the highest degree is 100, so it be monomial. Next question number 4. Question number 4 is write the degree of each of the following polynomial. We have write the degree of the polynomial, the expression given in the questions, we have write the highest degree of the polynomial. So question number 1 is our polynomial is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here the polynomial have three term, the variable is x, and the highest degree of the variable is 3, so we say answer in a polynomial 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, the highest power of the variable x is 3, hence the degree of polynomial is 3. Next, question number 2. The polynomial is 4 minus y square. In this polynomial have two term and two term 4 minus y square, and the variable y has highest degree is 2. So we write the highest degree of variable y is 2, hence the degree of polynomial is 2. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is polynomial is phi t minus 7. So in a polynomial phi t minus 7, the highest power of variable t is 1. So hence the degree of polynomial is 1. Next question, question number 4. Here the polynomial is 3. In a polynomial 3, the polynomial has no variable, so we multiply the polynomial by any variable y or x. Here we use y, and the power of y we put 0, means y raised to 0, it means 1. So we write 3 into 1 means 3, it our polynomial. So we write our polynomial in the variable, multiply variable form y raised to 0. The degree of variable of y equal to 0, hence the degree of polynomial 3 is 0. Last, question number 5. Our question number 5 is classify the following linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. We have classified our polynomial in 3 polynomial: linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear means the highest degree of polynomial is 1, so we say it is linear. Quadratic means the highest degree of polynomial is 2, so it be quadratic. And cubic means the higher degree of polynomial is 3, so it be cubic. Now start to solve this sum. Our first question is polynomial is x square plus x. Here the highest degree of polynomial is 2, so it be quadratic polynomial. Next, question number 2. Our polynomial is x minus x cube. The highest degree of polynomial x minus x cube is 3, so it be cubic polynomial. Next, question number 3. Polynomial is y plus y square plus 4. The highest degree of polynomial of variable y is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Question number 4. The polynomial is 1 plus x. The degree of polynomial 1 plus x, the highest degree of variable x is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Next, question number 5. The polynomial is 3t. So the highest degree of variable t is 1, hence it is linear polynomial. Question number 6. Polynomial is r square. So the highest degree of our polynomial variable r is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. And last, the polynomial is 7x cube. The highest degree of variable x, the polynomial variable x is 3, so it be cubic polynomial. Here we complete our exercise sum. So you have make a notebook, note all the example and exercise sum and practice it, and then next part we study about the zeros of polynomial and solve the sums.